Hi, my name's David.
And I'm Lori, and this is Zoe.
And we're from Montana. We came up to MORryde to get a latch extender and a door rail for our coach here. This is our first coach, and this is our first long trip out.
One of the reasons why we came to MORryde was because when we were at the rally and they were there, and we saw a lot of people who had the safety rail put in and the latch extender put in. And with Dave's disabilities that he has, we needed something that was going to be a lot easier for him to get in and out of our RV. And so we are very, very excited. We just now had it installed, and we're looking very forward into seeing how well this works.
We're looking forward to seeing how well this works, and we tell everybody, hey, if it works great, you come down to MORryde and they'll get you set up with some good equipment here. I have a disability and it's helping me out quite a bit, and they're good people.
And MORryde has just been absolutely awesome. Along with Alliance, we have just had the most wonderful experience so far, and Alliance has taken care of us, and MORryde has just been up right next to them. The customer service is amazing, and we were looking in the showroom at other possibilities of getting some things, so you might even see more videos of us with some new upgrades that we're going to do with our Alliance.